U.S. President Joe Biden on Monday ordered all U.S. flags on federal properties to be lowered to half-staff for the next 5 days as COVID-19 deaths in the country reached on the green milestone of 500,000. At around 6:15 p.m., the President, the First Lady, the Vice President, and the Second Gentleman held a moment of silence and candle-lighting ceremony at the White House in remembrance of the deaths. Biden said, "That's more lives lost to this virus than any other nation on earth. As we acknowledge the scale of this mass deaths in America, we remember each person and the life they lived." The first COVID-19 infection in the U.S. was reported on January 19, 2020 in the state of Washington, and the first U.S. fatality occurred in early February in Santa Clara County, California. It took 4 months to reach the first 100,000 dead at the end of May 2020. The U.S. COVID-19 death toll reached 400,000 on January 19th as the last full day of Donald Trump's presidency, whose handling of the crisis was labeled as American fiasco by public health experts. Though key indicators of COVID-19 transmission in the United States continue to fall in recent weeks, which offered signs of hope, new variants of the virus cause fresh concerns, and health experts warn the public not to let down guard as the country sees uptick in coronavirus variants infections. According to CDC, a total of 1,688 infection cases of coronavirus variants had been reported in the United States as of Sunday. The vast majority of these cases, over 1,660, were caused by the variant originally detected in Britain, which modeling data suggests could become the predominant variant in the United States in March. The number of COVID-19 deaths depends on the vaccine rollout and also the spread of variants. According to an influential coronavirus model, a worst-case scenario could see the death toll go as high as over 616,000 in the United States by June 1st.